some light in here, young man. Come on, get some light in here. Oh, well, here we go. It's fun. Well, hello, Mr. Funky Chicken. We've come a long way for you. A very long way indeed. Nice to meet you. How are you? Nice to meet you. Your whole deal has been very bad. Did they mistreat you in any way? What did they do? They made you eat hundreds of packets of these jelly beans. Look at this. Absolutely ridiculous. I've got a friend like this in a nappy. Let's have a look at this one here. What's this for you? Sorry, let me have a look at this one. Patty lover, how we can go to her. What a weird bloke, eh? Where is he? Do you know where he is? You don't know where he is at all? Are you kind of able to stand up, Funky Chicken? We need to get you on an Hercules. Shall we try? Soldier, grab him. Come on. This Major. Right, come on, you man. Come on. Come on. Oh, I tell you now. Oh, hold on a minute. How are we going to get back? Oh, I've got an idea. Past these chappies on the road down through Iraq. Finally, they're quite good, the old 5-2s around this place. They're very good. Right, let's go, Funky Chicken. Are you okay? Come on, Stout, let's go get something to eat.
Yes, Major.
Come on. Bloody heathens, honestly. God.